we are saying that given that a line equals to, they have given us a line equation, and what is the equation of line which is they are giving me? They are saying x over 3 plus y over 2 equals to 1. This is the equation of a line given. Okay. Now, in A part, they are saying make y as subject. We have to make y as the subject of the equation. So, what will I do? X over 3 plus y over 2 equals to 1. I have to make y as the subject. Y is over here. So first of all, I will take every other term which is not y on the other side. Okay. So shifting it over here, y upon 2, 1 minus x over 3. Now this 2 is over here, which is under y. I can shift it over here. This will become y equals to 2, 1 minus x over 3. Okay. So you can leave your answer over here because they have asked for y as the subject, means y should be all alone. So right now y is the subject. Okay. But I am simplifying it a little bit further. So y equals to 2 minus 2x over 3. This is my equation in which y is the subject over here. Now, in the B part, they are saying find gradient of line. Find gradient of line. Okay. Now, if I have to find the gradient of line and equation of line is given, so first of all, I have to make y as the subject. Over here, no coordinates are given. I have to, the equation of line is given and they are asking what is the gradient of line. So first of all, I have to make y as the subject, which I have already done. Once y is the subject of the equation, the coefficient of x with its sign will be considered as gradient. Coefficient of x with sign will be considered as gradient. So over here, the gradient of this line will be minus 2 over 3. Okay, you will not take it out from here because over here it is not in the simplified form. 2 is also multiplied by this whole thing. So I multiplied 2, I've got this one, and after I've got this one, the coefficient of x will be considered as the gradient of this given line. They are asking C part, find coordinates where line cuts x-axis. Where line cuts x-axis. Okay. Now we know that on x-axis, what will happen? The value of y is always 0. On x-axis, the value of y is always 0. And which line is cutting x-axis? This line is cutting x-axis. So either you can use this equation or you can use this equation. It's your choice. I'm using this one. On x-axis, y equals to 0, and this line is cutting x-axis. So x over 3 plus in place of y, 0 over 2 equals to 1. Anything divided by 0 will be 0. So x over 3 equals to 1. 3 shifted over here. X equals to 1 into 3. X equals to 3. So what will be the coordinate where your line is cutting x-axis? The coordinate of x will be 3 and the coordinate of y will be considered as 0. So this is the point where your line is cutting x-axis and this will be your final result.